Hello, in front of me I've got Subaru Impreza. In this video I'll show you what is the high-low lever and how to use it. The high-low lever is located in the center of the car under the gearbox shifter. In this car, high-low lever usually refers to range selector in vehicles equipped with dual range transfer case, mostly found in older Subaru models or certain off-road capable versions like trims of Impreza in the 1990s and early 2000s. What it does? The high-low lever allows the driver to choose between high range and low range. High range is normal driving mode for everyday roads, offering standard gear ratios, and low range used for situations with extra torque is needed at low speeds, such as off-road driving, steep hills, towing slippery surfaces. How to use it? Shift only when the vehicle is stopped or moving very slow. With the transmission in neutral mode. Most modern Subaru Impreza models no longer include this feature, as the all-wheel drive system and electronic aids have largely replaced the need for manual high-low selector. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.